Hello fellow home dreamers! Nandito na naman po ang inyong walking ahente ma'am para i-share sa inyo ang latest update ng ating pre-selling 3-story townhouse project for sale located at Sampaloc, Manila. As you can see, ongoing pa rin ang construction niya hanggang ngayon. Ang target date na ma-turn over ito ay by April or May 2025. Sa ngayon ay 4 units pa ang available. And this property is facing small street. This property has 1 car garage, receiving area, dining and kitchen area, powder room, and laundry area sa bandang likuran. Pag-akyat naman natin ng second floor ay matatagpuan natin ang master's bedroom na may sariling toilet and bath at ang isa pang bedroom na may sarili na ring toilet and bath. Medyo magulo pa nang pumunta tayo kasi nga ongoing pa yung construction. Pag-akyat naman natin ng third floor ay bubungad sa atin ang family room at ang partial roof deck. Sa bandang likod niyan ay meron pang isang kwarto na merong sariling toilet and bath din. Kaya sa mga naghahanap ng pre-selling townhouse project na for sale dito sa Sampaloc, Manila, don't hesitate to connect with me. I will be glad to assist you and help you find your dream home and turn it into a reality. Again, this is your walking ahente ma'am, Jacqueline Escote Pedrosa, at your service. And I'm your real estate salesperson under Filipino Homes, in partnership with Everyone Dreams Home. Thank you for watching and see you on our next mini vlog. Bye!